Hello everyone, my name is Anirudha Gupta and in this video we will learn how we can install the Visual Studio from website. So this is the website and if you go to download section you will be having this page and you just go to community is free edition, professional is both are paid. So you need to download this file and once you run this software you will get the installer and if you see this installer we can see that this is Visual Studio and here we can see that the community edition is available. So if we go down we can see that these are all the things. So I will suggest you, if you don't have any license you can simply go with community edition. So since I have a license I can go with professional. So let's go to professional, click on install. So here we have a lot of items. Like this one is used for .NET programming. Earlier they have multiple, like here they have .NET and .NET Core and .NET Framework, both are different. But in 2022 they have used this one section for both. This is used for Azure, this is used for Python, this is used for Node, this is for Xamarin. This will be depreciated earlier, depreciated soon, and later they will be coming with MAUI. So these are all the things. So we will only needing this thing. So if I click on this, you can see that it is showing me how the things that it will be installing in my computer. So I have checked this, and if I want, I can go with I will. If I check this thing, I will be getting this. And if I need something different, and suppose I need something that is not here, like .NET Core 2.1, I can simply go to check here, and this search bar will also helpful in these cases. Like suppose we need to work on .NET Core 2.1 kind of things project that is not supported. I mean, not they are not getting installed by default, so we can check these things, and we simply click on install. So if you see, we can, this is used for start the software once it is getting installed, and you can see the speed here and things they will be downloading and installing here. So this is the one way to install the software. So in my next video I will be explaining further things. Thanks for watching my video. Goodbye.